What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming down, checking us out. My name is Misha, Divine One Customs. We're about to show you all the cool projects we got going on in the shop today. Here at Divine One Customs, we specialize in full custom paint, full custom interior, and full custom classic vehicle builds. Right here we have a 71 Dodge Roadrunner that we're doing a full restoration on. It comes in looking just like this. Typically, this is what we normally see, is a complete old car full of rust. This is a perfect example of the way these projects start. When they get here, we tear them all down and we get started fitting all the new components. So these are just a few small examples of the car projects that we work on here at Divine One Customs. We're a full service center. We can take your dream and turn it into reality. Make sure you stay tuned for some of our most amazing projects you haven't even seen yet.